Hello guys, Baku Jason here, TMV TV. I was just relaxed at my residence, then I said, why don't I just take a walk and just show you guys how the floods have affected us here in Northeast, show you the surrounding here. So, why don't we walk together? I'm at a road between Dadaab town and A4 and the Dadaab refugee camp. So you can see you still have water here on the road, and normally this place is very dry. I was here just like 3 days ago, and this whole place was flooded, but now the water is subsiding. And it got me thinking. Because I usually walk along this road many times, and most of the time what we usually find here carcasses of dead livestock due to drought, and mostly lack of water. Then now the vehicles are not moving because of floods now. And I was thinking, now this is November, maybe in the next 5 months, God forbid, you might pass through this same road and found carcasses of dead animals. And you wonder, how can this water be affected? You can see there's a lot of water even in the bushes here. Let me show you. Let me go near. Let me zoom. You can see that is water. Road to Dadaab. Then this right now you go to E4 and the Dadaab refugee camp. Then there, if you see at the far end there, you will see some metal grease, guys. I don't know whether you can be able to see them. That is the Muslim cemetery. So I was wondering, how can livestock be dying of drought? Then we have floods. Then in the next 5 months again, you pass here and you still find, now find again dead carcasses of dead animals. And talking of the Muslim cemetery, I sometimes admire how the Muslims bury their loved ones, because they usually select a place far away from where they live for burial, so people are not buried outside the homestead. You don't, because you don't every day wake up and see a grave outside the house, you see. So one time I tried to introduce a topic like this. Why don't we also have a selected place to be burying our loved ones instead of burying them outside our home? Because when you are gone, you are gone. Sikupenda. Huh? You are very young. You don't understand the tradition and our ways of life. So you guys, you want us to be throwing our loved ones away. Normally, the common vegetation here are these thorny bushes. But there is a certain species of trees which is more common than the rest, called the madenge tree. And there is a story I heard that it was brought by the white men. I don't know whether they had good or bad intentions, and because it has turned out to be other sister to the locals here, according to the stories they usually get, is poisonous to the livestock and to people also. There have been some reported cases of amputation, which are believed to be from the poisonous poison thorns of this madenge tree. But I think the white man brought it with good intentions. I think they just selected certain species of trees that can survive in this climate. And surely it is the common tree here, the tree which brings the vegetation cover. The vegetation cover here is from this madenge tree. So in a way it helps. Although now you know the locals here are pastoralists, and anything that harms their livestock is not good for them. Let me show you guys one of the trees here. Now this is the madenge tree here. We have big ones, but you can see from that place, all these bush, these are madenge trees here. But this is not the tree, how it looks like. And those are the thorns. I don't know whether you can see them. It may come closer. No, these are the thorns. They appear to be weak, but they are very strong thorns. And this is our road to Dadaab. I told you guys this side there is that's Dagale. This side you go to Ifa refugee camp, then Dagare refugee camp. Now we are towards Dadaab. Then I will show you the road to Liboy. At Dadaab airstrip, then there is road to Liboy, and then we go to Dadaab town. Now this road, I thought the government was not aware there is a road here until just the other day when the El Nino rains came, and I saw somewhere the Kenya National Highway Authority has closed the road from Garissa to Dadaab due to floods. You know guys, I don't have any issue with taxation and the increase and the whatever. I usually get some stories that even America are more taxed than us and other developed countries. You see this place? This whole place was covered with water in the last 4 to 5 days. You could not see this road here. The road was unpassable. There were no movement. Vehicles were not moving. But now you can see the water is dry up day by day, day after day. Now, I have no issue with taxation. If they can be taxed and the roads are tarmacked. I saw a story from a certain guy saying that he doesn't wash. And driver, a rolling driver, a truck driver from America, who was saying that he does not wash his shoes at any given time. He just buys a new shoe, he wears it until it is completely worn. There is no washing because everywhere it does not step on soil anywhere. So taxation is not bad, but if the system works, But when you are taxed and you not see where the tax goes, now that's the issue. You are taxed, and when you go to the hospital, you pay. You are taxed, and now when your children go to school, you are paying. I even heard the president the other day saying that by next year, everybody will have an NHIF card, whether paid for by the government or whether you pay for yourself. And now the question is, you have the card, you can go to the hospital, the medicine is not available. What's now the purpose of the card? The issue is not the card. The issue is medicine. Even if you have the card and at the hospital there is no medicine, when you go there, what they usually do is to just prescribe. Go and buy this. They give you Panadols. Medicine you will outsource. Sometimes they even send you to a specific chemist. Enda ununue kwa chemist fulani, hao ndio wako nayo. And then you are wondering, kama umeniandikia, just leave me, I'll find where to buy. So the issue is not taxation. The issue are services. Are we getting the services? Are the roads in good condition? Are the things which you are supposed to get? Are we getting the things we are supposed to get? Let's just because when you are taxed and you buy everything, you have to cause. So guys, this is the Dadaab Street. This is now the road to Liboi. This one, the main zoom. This is the road to Liboi. This is the Dadaab Street. Now I'm still on the road to Dadaab town. So people sometimes told stories and then you get excited, but you are getting excited over nothing. Ikifika next year kila mtu atakuwa na NHIF card. Come on, NHIF card is not a big deal. You need to serve the purpose. Itakusaidia. Haya, let's wait and see. So guys, that's the end of my walk. I think you have enjoyed walking.